Hey guys, Sid here. And in today's video, I want to speak about a concept that I believe is very important in your affiliate marketing journey, regardless of what you're promoting. And it's something that I've kind of come to, realize, in the last couple of months when it comes to my specific affiliate marketing journey. And that's about using the law of attraction and how you can obviously create, better results and abundance from your affiliate marketing offers or whatever it is that you're using in your online business. So, have you ever sort of noticed, perhaps maybe through your experience or someone else's experience, people who actually have a system? It might be a specific system that is promoting maybe a specific affiliate offer. Now, in my example, I use basically an offer which is about a high ticket based multi income level offer. And you can see the link below if you actually want to have a look at it. But basically, that offer actually works pretty well. And you see a lot of people obviously, kind of applying it, whatever traffic strategy that they're using, and they're getting the results. But sometimes also what happens is that, someone else might actually go and promote that specific offer and they find that they're not getting the kinds of results that they've seen other people getting. Now, sometimes it's various factors that are more technical, like the kind of traffic they're using, their source of traffic. Obviously, like the kind, how often they're promoting that specific offer as well. But there are times actually where it can actually be an aspect around your mindset and how you're attracting the results that you're looking for by using that specific system. So it could be that your mindset at the time when you're actually promoting such an offer is that you really are striving to get the results because you're looking perhaps for a certain amount of income, and you feel that if you get that amount of income then you're going to do really well, or you're going to feel better as a person, and that means you're going to obviously take your affiliate marketing business or offer a lot further. But unfortunately, from what I've seen from my experience and what I've seen with other people, both on the upside and the downside, is that actually, if your mindset is not in the right place and you're promoting an offer because you want to start making a certain amount of money from that specific offer, because your mind is at an energy level that is actually not a level that will help attract the kind of results that you want, what you might find is that you're actually not getting the specific results that you want to get or that you targeted for. So it's very important to understand that when you start building your business online, whatever it is that you're promoting or building as an online business or as an affiliate marketer, you do need to actually look at aspects of how your energy is and how you're actually creating that high vibration based energy that actually allows you to attract the results. Now, the question you might ask is obviously how you can do this. And you may have come across a few ways to do this. One is obviously through regular meditation. Now, meditation, a lot of people obviously don't have the kind of, let's call it, patience or persistence to do it. It doesn't really work for everyone. The other way is affirmations. But what I want to state about affirmations is I've tried affirmations before when I actually say them out loud. And the thing with affirmations, when you're actually saying it yourself, even if you're doing it regularly, is that sometimes what happens is your subconscious, like let's say you have an affirmation that says that, I'm wealthy or I'm earning a certain amount of income on a monthly basis. Somewhere in the back of your subconscious, it's like saying to you that actually that's not true. So what happens is your mind kind of tricks you and starts kind of, saying that actually you're lying to yourself. So really, the only other way that I think that works really well is if you have a specific stream of an audio that you listen to, where it's just continually saying these specific affirmations. And while you're listening to it, you're actually doing things that are actually creating a really good vibration. So say for example, you're someone that enjoys nature and you like being outdoors and you're enjoying the sun. So while you're taking a walk or something, you're doing a run, this audio of affirmations is going on in the background, and obviously there's a bit of music to help with that. And that's something that I think is working for a lot of people, and I've seen people actually get results in terms of their affiliate marketing businesses, specifically also those that are promoting high ticket offers. So if you're wondering, what kind of audio that you can use, I would recommend the one that I provided in the description below. And that's something I've started using. So I thought I would just speak about this very briefly because it's something that I've understood that you really need to have in your affiliate marketing business or any online business that you're promoting. And if you don't start creating that energy that allows you to attract that success, it becomes really difficult to maintain the consistency that you're looking for. And think about it. The people that you see that continuously get results, it's not like they automatically all of a sudden started getting to a point where they actually got the results. They obviously worked a lot through their mindset. All the successful affiliate marketers that I've gotten connect with or I've sort of spoken to, they've actually spoken a lot about mindset. And it might sound very obvious, but the truth is it is one of the major factors that needs to be looked at. So I hope you found that this actually is going to perhaps change the way you look at your business online. And I hope that the resource that I've provided below actually will help you a lot. It is a free video on YouTube, so you can download it or you can obviously listen to it wherever you are. And I really hope it'll give you some aspect of how you approach your business. But yeah, take a look, leave some comments below and let me know how it's going for you if you are using it. And as I mentioned, if you are actually looking at some kind of high ticket affiliate offer to promote, you can also look at the link that I provided below and see if that works for you. Take care, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.